Sure, Inzi Gill. This is Learn Manx, and this is our fourth video in the series of introductory videos to Manx Gaelic. In this one, we're going to be talking about the past tense again, but in this case, using ren, which is the past of the verb ginu, which means to do or to make. But it's very important when we use ren that we only use it with verbs. Okay, so we're going to be using J for yesterday, this time with ren. Well, Kistau, Hayley?
Oh, Tammy Brag, Gramaid.
Yun Sac. As Renu Govrica J, did you work yesterday? Renu Govrica J?
Haran mi Govrica J.
Nak Ren?
Haran.
Okay. Ren Mananan Govrica J?
Oh, Ren. Reni Govrica J.
Smart. Ren Joni Govrica J?
Harani.
Nak Reni. As Kremikian, what about Rigori? Rene?
Oh, Rene Govrica J.
Yun Sac. As Ren Mananan Gu Ushtave J?
Ren.
Yeah, Tammy Tickle. Ren Joni Gu Ushtave J?
Oh, Harani.
Yun Sac. As Ren Rigori?
Ren.
Yeah. As Renu Chapel Shop, Renu Chapel J?
Renmi Chapel J.
Yun Sac.
Renu Chapel J.
Remi Chapel uns Rumser J?
Nak Renu Chapel uns Putna Hinja.
Haren, Remi Chapel uns Rumser. Renu Chapel uns Rumser J?
Haremi Chapel uns Rumser.
Cred Renu Chapel?
Renmi Chapel uns Putna Hinja.
Okay, Tammy Tickle. Ren Joni Chapel uns Putna Hinja J?
Haran.
Okay. Renu Gesh da Christian Radio J?
Haran.
Nak Ren?
No, Renmi Chapel.
Shenkiat. Ren Mananin Gesh da Christian Radio J?
Oh, Ren.
Yin the sack. As Rigori, Rene?
Harane.
Nak Ren. Rene Jikaner and Chelvish J?
Oh, Rene Jikaner Chelvish J.
Yin the sack. Renu?
Haran.
Okay. As Kremikan, what about Kremikan Joni? Ren E Jikaner and Chelvish J?
Reni Jikaner Chelvish J.
Smart shed. As Mananin, Rene?
Haran.
Nak Ren.
Harane.
Okay. As Ren Rigori Gi Bonig J?
Haran.
Nak Ren.
Reni Gu Ushtabe.
Shenkiat.
Ocareni Gi Bonig.
Oh, Tammy Tickle. As Ren Joni Gi Bonig J?
Reni.
Ready.
Reni Gi Bonig J.
Yes, my shed.
Reni Chapel uns Putna Hinja. As the Reni Gi Bonig.
In the sack. As Fiera finally, Mananin Ren A Gi Bonig J?
Ren.
In the sack. Reni Gu Ushtabe J?
Oh, Reni Gu Ram Ushtabe.
A lot of it, Ram Ushtabe. Tammy Tiggle, I understand. Well, that's it from the fourth lesson. Hope that makes some sense. Ren in the past tense. Thank you for watching. Good night, Hayley.
Shea the very.